Welcome to day 15 of 100 Days of Automation. Today, we are going to build part 3 of our social listening system. In part 1 and 2, we looked at how to extract topics from multiple forums. Today, we are going to look at how to extract user comments for each topic. So let's get started. Now we'll go to Bubble Forum. We'll go to our Chrome extension. We'll choose an action, extract forum data. So let's just extract 3 posts for now and click on run automation. So what happens, we get the first 3 posts and now you can see we've gone to the specific topic in each bubble forum and we are extracting all the comments automatically. And once this is done, we should start to see the data in our Airtable. So you can see if I come to my Airtable, I can see the topics that we've extracted and I've also extracted comments. So I can also look at the topic views for each, and I can look at how many likes we got for each topic, the time, what the username is, and we get the whole comment here. Awesome. So now let's do this again, but this time for Airtable. So I'll come in here, I'll choose an action, extract forum data. I'll again fetch, let's say this time we'll fetch 5 topics. I'll click on run automation. So now we are going to each forum topic, and for each forum topic, we are extracting all the comments. So once we'll reach all the 5 topics, so we've reached 4 now, we go to the bottom of each and then we extract all the comments from that page. And now I think this was the 5th. So if I now go to Airtable, I should start seeing more data, and this time from Airtable. So you can see we've got the comments from each of our Airtable topic all inside our database here, and in topics we got these 5 topics. So this automation is really useful because now not only do I get the topic names, but for each topic I get all the comments related to that topic. So I can see what the overall community is thinking about a special topic, what the right answers are, which specific comments are getting more likes. So probably they are the right answers, and we can then build a lot of different apps or gather more intelligence from our data. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.